Congratulations are in order to Amajita. In a moment that will be etched in South African football history, the national under-20 men's team Amajita claimed their maiden African Cup of Nations AFCON title with a hard-fought 1-0 victory over Morocco at the 30 June Stadium in Cairo on Sunday. Gomalimo Kekana emerged the hero for the South Africans, netting the decisive goal in the 70th minute after a goalless and tightly contested first half. The win marks a significant milestone for South African football, reinforcing the nation's rising momentum on the continental stage. It was Morocco who initially applied the pressure, with Amachita goalkeeper Fletcher Smith Lowe called into action early and often. He made two crucial saves within minutes, denying Ilyas Pomasaudi in the 21st minute and then stopping Maud Dahak's efforts in the 24th minute. Despite Morocco's dominance, it was South Africa who created the first real chance of the match when Jody Ashen latched onto a poor back pass in the 3rd minute, only to be denied by Moroccan shopstopper Yanis Bonchauch. Kekana attempted a speculative shot from range on the half-hour mark but failed to trouble the goalkeeper. Smith Lowe was once again alert just before halftime, saving from Jones Abdelau to keep the score level. The teams entered the break deadlocked at 0-0, with both sets of supporters anxiously awaiting a breakthrough. South Africa came out with renewed purpose in the second half. Their persistence paid off 20 minutes from time when Kekana took full advantage of a long clearance from Smith Lowe. The striker calmly controlled the ball before unleashing a thunderous strike that gave Banchoch no chance and sent the South African bench into raptures. Morocco nearly clawed their way back in the 83rd minute when Othman Mama found himself unmarked in the box, but he failed to direct his header on target. South Africa nearly sealed the win late on through Shaquille April, who sprinted past a Moroccan defender only to be denied by the agile Benchouch. Earlier in the evening, Nigeria secured third place after edging hosts Egypt in a dramatic penalty shootout. The team had played to a 1-1 draw in regulation time before the Nigerians held their nerve from the spot. While Morocco fell short in the final, they'll walk away with a consolation prize of $150,000, approximately 2.7 million rand. Champion South Africa, meanwhile, will take home the winner's purse of $200,000, around 3.6 million rand, along with continental glory. Amachita's triumph adds to what is becoming a golden era for South African football. The country has seen impressive strides recently, with both under-20 and under-17 teams qualifying for the FIFA World Cup, and Bafana Bafana securing a bronze medal in the senior AFCON. Celebrated coach Pitso Mosimane captured the nation's sentiment on social media, writing, "South Africa under-20 conquering Africa. Again, it is not the first time we're experiencing all this. We are the champs of Africa. What a period in our life that South Africa are experiencing all these good achievements." Head coach Raymond Daga, the tactician behind Amachita's journey to the top, remained grounded in his moment of triumph and said, "Well done to the boys. They've done themselves proud. We always want to thank everybody, the players, the technical team from the group stages. The margins were tight, 1-0, 1-0, but we stayed focused and made sure we didn't concede. If you don't concede in a tournament, you always give yourself a chance." And added that it was a tough game against Morocco, but a good one for fans and for African football. As the final whistle blew in Cairo, a new chapter was written in South African football, a chapter of resilience, unity, and the crowning of continent's finest young team. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.